The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for, hey, are you even listening? I'm just telling you there is a frickin' snowstorm ahead. What is this? Is this Antarctica? We're not living in the North Pole or South Pole, no hell. I just said there is a snowstorm. In the middle of 2026 of January 15th, for the God's sake. Hello, are you even listening? Do you think I'm a dumb robot that interrupts everything? You know what, I give up. Just take shelter or, you know what? I'm leaving.